Welcome to our Limecube Getting Started video. We want to help you get started on building your new website as easily as possible and have created this short video with a few simple steps to help you do just that. Research helps you save a lot of time when building a website. Even the best designers don't start from scratch and start with research. Getting ideas from what others have done makes it easier for what approach you should take. Look for websites that are similar to your category so you can get design inspiration and learn from them to see what kind of things you should have on your website, such as page structure and content, use of images, fonts, colors, and spacing. This also gives you a chance to be clearer on what you don't like as well. Look below the video to find links to our favorite design inspiration websites. It's time to choose your theme. If you haven't already done so, now is the time to choose your Limecube website theme. Try and find a theme that is similar to the structure or style that you have in mind, as it can save some time when building. However, don't worry too much about choosing the perfect theme, as it's easy to make changes once in Limecube. No matter which theme you start with, you'll be able to create exactly the website you want. Once you have an idea of the style you want, the next step is planning your content and sitemap. A sitemap is the list of pages you will have on your website. While new pages can be added very easily at any time, knowing the main pages you want will give you an idea of what you need to plan for in terms of content, imagery, etc., and set the stage for your homepage. After you sort out your sitemap, start thinking about your content. How much or how little content you put into each page will play a significant role in your site design. For the best approach on getting started with your content, we've created a more comprehensive how-to guide which you can find below the video. The last step is deciding on your site style. Do you want a playful and casual look, or do you want something more professional and sophisticated? Colors, imagery, and content play a big role in shaping the style of your website and driving the perception you're aiming for. You are now ready to start building your website on Limecube. Please take a look at the additional resources below and feel free to reach out to us at any time if you need help.